BCA first sem. Today I discuss about the topic of create a table in database under the guidance of Kumar sir. Now let's start. You can see first of all SQL query is here, and first of all I create a database Nishant 1. Second, using a database to Nishant 1. Third, create a table and write a code in under a table to data and insert a student table and select from a student. Then output is see, this is the output of table and query. Then I work a line. Then you can see first of all create a database and create a table and input a data and insert the data. Then select from a student 1 and execute. Then you can show the result ID 101, 102, 103, name, roll number, subject and city. Then the data is true. Then thank you.